Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to understand the use of static keyword in Dart programming language. For that, I am creating a new file. I say static use of static.dart. Again, main method. Here I am creating a new class. I say class calculate like this. Inside this, suppose I want to create a static variable. So I say static var num1 num2, remember, and I want to create a static method. So I say static void add, remember, like this. So here we have a static variable, we have a static method. What I do, just I say print same, I say sum equal to this one, and here I use num1 and num2 plus num2. Remember that I'm using like that. And remember that if I declare any variable, for example, normal variable, I say var num3. And if I want to add this also here, num3, this is the error. Remember that? Because in a static method, only static variable can be used. Remember that? Only static, not instance variable. So these instance variable cannot be used within a static method. Remember that. But local variable can use. Suppose if I have this declare under this, so it is legal because this local is available within this method without creating a object. So this is legal. Remember that. I'm removing this just to understand you. I am just explaining you that only static variables are allowed to use within a static method. Now this is done here. Now these are static variables and method. So doesn't require to create object. Directly I can use like this. Num1 equal to this. I say num2 equal to this. Then I say calculate dot add. Remember, no need to create object of this. Directly we can pass value. Directly we can call. If I run this, I say like this. You see, same answer we have. No problem. Now I can create one more method of a static. I say static void multiply. Here I can pass value n1 n2 like this. Then I can display the, you can say this one multiply equal to this, multiply equal to this, and I can use n1 and n2. Remember that these are local variable, so we can pass value to static method also. They can calculate this. So similarly, I can use here multiply in mul, and here I can pass the value like this. And if I run this now, you will see that without creating an object of this, I am able to access this method because it's a static one. This one. Remember that we can create a constant static also. Suppose if I say here const keyword and I say value of pi equal to 3.14 and I say where to this, not this, like this. Remember that they are saying that it is not valid to create a constant variable within a class, but we can create it static constant. Remember that. So if you required this value in your application, suppose you calculate area of any circle or something else, so you can use this constant value. So static also used to create a constant static value. Remember that. Normally you can't create a constant, you have to create a final. But you can create static, you can create constant static by using static keyword. Remember that. So now it can be used within these also. Now one more thing. If I make a object of this class, I say c1 equal to new like this. So can I access this? It's also, I say num1, you see, c1 dot num1 equal to this, you see, c1 dot num2 equal to this, you see. So in Java it is possible to do that, but you see here try using class, means here you are not able to access this. So can I access function? I say add, no. Can I use mul? No. That means by creating object of this class, remember, we are not able to access any static member, whether it is variable or constant or a method. Remember that. Only possible by using the name of a class. But in Java, it is possible to create an object of this class and access the static variables and method by object also. But remember, if you are a Java programmer, it is not like in Dart. Dart, Only class can access the instance variables and method. Object cannot access these. So this is all about in this video. If you got some knowledge from this video, please do a little favor, just like this video, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.